Hi folks, Rob Weinstein with Event Rental Insider. On this episode, we're going to talk about how you can lose your house if you set up your business incorrectly. When people first get into this business, they're often told by their CPA or accountant that they should pick a certain business structure, whether it be LLC or sole proprietorship or maybe an SCorp. And let me just give you my 2 cents. Now, I'm going to start with a disclaimer. I am not an accountant, and yes, you should seek both legal and professional accounting advice. But here's what I've learned over the years. As a sole proprietor, everybody is concerned that if there's an accident, they can come after your personal property. Now, when I first started, honestly, I didn't have 2 nickels to rub against each other. So my joke was, well, if I get sued, I've got insurance, and if they come after my personal assets, they can choose. They can have a princess castle or a bounce house, because I didn't own much of anything else. Later, as I started actually making more money and getting some assets and houses and cars, well, now it became more important to protect those assets. And a lot of people will tell you to go into an LLC, Limited Liability Corporation. The reason for that is that it does give you a protective blanket where if you get sued, they can only go after your business assets. Here's the catch though. A lot of people that get into business don't know a whole lot about a business accounting, and they will mix their personal and their business money. So let's say that I set up a LLC and I want to take the kids out to the zoo that day, so I take $50 out of my business account and just call it an owner's draw. Well, as an LLC, you're a corporation and you aren't allowed to take an owner's draw. You have to take a payroll check. So what I just did by taking those $50 out is I pierced the corporate veil, which means now when I get sued, the lawyers are going to look at my bank statements and realize that I was mixing personal and business money, which negates my LLC umbrella, which means that they can now come after my personal assets. So if you're going to go down that path, make sure to keep your business and your personal money completely separate. SCorp is something that you can do if you get a little bit bigger. I would say most people are going to start out as an LLC. Just make sure that you're handling the accounting correctly. If you found this information helpful or useful, make sure that you give it a thumbs up, press that subscribe button, and comment down below.